Welcome to Shiny Colors Fine Art Classes everyone. Today we will explore color pencils and let's make this drawing. So let's draw first. Remember this is elliptical, cylindrical shape. So we need to make all those elliptical mouth, the drink level and the base according to the perspective. The mouth has to be little less, and as we are going down because it is becoming to below to the eye level, so it has to be little more bigger, and then we need to start giving the detailing. Now when we give the details, let's see, do the dark first, light and middle tone, light base first with yellow and orange, and then I'm giving the dark. So we have to keep the contrast. If we can keep the contrast properly, then the painting will look very beautiful. So again see, I am giving the brown color, especially in the middle, because middle is dark. Being a round shape, being a cylindrical shape, the terminator will be there in the middle. So I am making that darkness. What is terminator? Terminator is the concept where we give the depth, and especially when the light turns, the terminator becomes dark. So that area is called the terminator. Now I'm just giving and precising those crystal cuts, those are there in the class. And trying to make darker value more dark. Side is a middle tone, so side I am giving the orange color. We have to explore the tones, explore the colors, different colors to get the correct value of the object. So orange, brown, yellow, like that, and definitely black for the depth. So before we use black, just give a little yellowish on the side because sides are light. And then again for the black, I am using the Staedtler black pencil 8B. You can use black color pencil too, but I found this more dark and more effective, so I use this pencil. Give the multiple washes with multiple color, brown, orange, and little darker tone to get the exact value of the object. Be a little patient when you color with color pencil, because color pencil is little thin. It has a very thin tip, and we need to give the values according to the object. So we need to give multiple washes. So patiently we need to do that. As middle part is dark, so keep on adding more dark and dark values. Add black wherever the dark values are there. Black will give you a beautiful depth here, and over the black we can add more colors also. Make the shape, the crystal shape, those are in the glass. We need to define and make those shapes. Try to give the round effect of the glass. The level of the drink has to be little precise and little shiny, so we need to leave the space accordingly, because white color pencil will not come over the colored area, so we need to leave the gap, leave the space, like the same way we leave for watercolor. To add the reflection, especially in the bottom, we need to give that brownish color. Okay, now, because the juice reflection will be there in the base also, and sides has to be light, so we need to add little light color. I am just giving a yellow color wash all over, so that the warmth of the object, or the warmth of the color will come. And see, as I'm adding the yellow, how beautiful it is looking, right? This is actually yellow ochre color. Now, leaving the edge, I'm giving the background dark, because if the background dark, then only the object will pop up. So always remember, without dark background, it is not possible to make a object look 3D on the flat surface. Okay, so it has to be always contrast. If the background is dark, object has to be light, and if the object is dark, then the background has to be light. Okay. Make the mouth elliptical proper. Being a crystal, it has to be a little crisp also, so give the crisp effect, especially on the mouth area. And again dark, brownish dark in the middle. This is almost done. Please try by yourself and share the picture with me if you are trying, and let me know how did you like it. If you like it, please follow the channel and like the video. Share it with your friends and family. Thank you everyone for joining. See you in the next video.